Chapter 9, India, Climate, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Now we'll begin with the first topic, that is climate of India. Now India has a monsoon type of climate. Now despite having unity in terms of the same type of climate, that is the monsoon type of climate, variations in this type of climate occur in different regions of India. Now, these variations are expressed in the pattern of wind, temperature, rainfall, rhythm of seasons, and the degree of wetness or dryness. Now, these variations are known as the subtypes of monsoon climate. Now, these variations are caused due to various factors, and these factors are also known as the climatic controls. The first factor is location and the latitudinal extent. Second factor, distance from the sea. Third factor is the Himalayas. Fourth factor, physiography. Then fifth, altitude. And sixth, wind reversal. Now, firstly, we are going to discuss about the first factor, that is the location and the latitudinal extent. Now, India lies roughly between 6 degrees north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. Now, the country is divided almost through the middle by the Tropic of Cancer. The northern India is a subtropical and temperate zone, whereas southern India is a tropical zone. Now, next factor is distance from the sea. Now, southern or peninsular India is surrounded by three important water bodies, namely the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal. Now, because of the presence of these water bodies, the climate of the coastal regions of India can be described as equable or maritime. On the contrary to this, the climate of the regions which are located in the interior of the country, they experience extreme or continental type of climate. Now, the third factor is of the Himalayas. Now, the Himalayas they act as a climatic barrier and they prevent the cold and dry winds of Central Asia during winter from entering India. Apart from that, they also act as a physical barrier for the rain-bearing southwest monsoon winds and stop them from crossing the northern frontiers of India. Now, next factor is of physiography. Now, the temperature, the air pressure, direction and the speed of wind and the amount and distribution of rainfall, they all are affected by the physiography of India. The windward sides of the Western Ghats and Assam, they receive heavy rainfall, whereas the southern plateaus remain dry due to its leeward position along the Western Ghats. Next factor is of altitude. Now, the altitude of a place also affects its temperature. The Himalayas and other high mountains have lower temperatures even in summer due to their high altitude. Next factor is of wind reversal. Now, the Indian climate is characterized by the complete reversal of wind system that occurs with the change in season. During winter, the winds, they blow from northeast to southwest. Now, these winds are dry, and during summer, a complete reversal in the wind direction is seen, and winds start blowing from southwest to the northeast, carrying with them moisture from the large water bodies that surround the Indian subcontinent.